Most drivers walk right past $10 solutions to car problems every day, inside their own kitchen. The products fixing multi-$100 shop bills are hiding in your pantry, your bathroom, your laundry room. You just don't know which ones. Today we're breaking down 15 household hacks that outperform what the auto parts store is selling for 20 times the price. Don't skip ahead. Hack number 3 uses a bathroom item that will save you from an $800 wheel refinish. Let's start with hack number 15. Dryer sheets to repel bugs from your front bumper. You've been fighting the same battle every summer. Long highway drives leave your front bumper looking like a bug graveyard, and once those insects bake onto the paint under the sun, they etch straight into your clear coat. Here's what long-haul truckers have been doing quietly for decades. Take a used fabric softener sheet, the kind you'd throw in the dryer, dampen it slightly with water, and wipe it across your front bumper, grille, and headlights before a long drive. The chemical coating on the sheet creates a slick surface that bugs literally can't stick to, and any that do come off with a simple wipe when you stop for gas. It doesn't damage paint, doesn't leave residue, and one sheet handles the entire front of the car. Auto parts stores sell bug repellent sprays for $15 to $25 a bottle that use nearly identical chemistry. A box of dryer sheets runs $5 and treats your car for an entire summer. Truckers have been protecting the front of their rigs this way since long before those products ever hit the shelves. Hack number 14. Hair conditioner as an emergency car wax. You washed your car for a family event or a road trip and realized halfway through that you're completely out of car wax. Most drivers skip the waxing step entirely and drive off with a matte, unprotected finish. Here's what hardly anyone knows. A basic bottle of hair conditioner, the cheap kind, not the specialty stuff, contains many of the same surfactants and conditioning silicones that make up commercial car wax. After you rinse your car, apply a small amount of conditioner directly onto a wet microfiber cloth and spread it evenly across the paint, one panel at a time. Rinse it off with clean water, and the surface takes on a deep, glossy shine with a light hydrophobic layer that beads rain for weeks. It's not a permanent replacement for real wax or ceramic coating, but as a one-time emergency finish before a road trip or a photo, it works stunningly well. A bottle of car wax is $15 to $30. A bottle of dollar store conditioner is under $3, and you probably have one in the shower already. Hack number 13. Pantyhose as an emergency fuel filter. You pulled into a sketchy roadside gas station in the middle of nowhere, and something in your gut tells you the fuel quality isn't going to be great. What most drivers don't realize is that dirty fuel from low-volume stations regularly carries rust flakes, water droplets, and sediment straight into your fuel injectors. Here's an old road tripper trick that works when you're desperate. Stretch a small piece of clean pantyhose or sheer nylon over the mouth of your fuel filler tube before inserting the pump nozzle. The fine mesh catches particulates and water droplets that would otherwise flow directly into your tank, while still allowing fuel to pass through at normal speed. When you're done, ball up the nylon and throw it away. A single injector cleaning at a shop costs $100 to $200, and a full fuel system flush after contaminated fuel can run $400 to $600. A pair of dollar store pantyhose gives you 5 emergency filters and takes up no space in your glove box. Long-distance drivers have been using this trick for decades, and it's saved more engines than any single roadside fix in the book. Hack number 12. A bag of rice as a cabin dehumidifier. Your car interior smells musty every morning. Your windows fog up the second you turn on the defroster, and the carpets feel damp even when it hasn't rained. That's trapped moisture, from wet shoes, spilled drinks, humid air, sitting in the fabric, and slowly growing mold. Here's what nobody's telling you. Fill a mesh bag or old sock with plain uncooked rice, around 2 cups, and place it under your driver's seat or on the rear shelf. Rice is one of the most effective natural moisture absorbers on Earth, which is why people use it to save water-damaged phones. It pulls humidity out of the cabin air, cutting condensation on your windows and eliminating that musty smell within a few days. Replace the rice every couple of months, or dry it out in the oven to reuse it. Auto parts stores sell moisture absorber pouches for $8 to $15 each that use silica gel, which does the same job at higher cost. A 1-pound bag of rice costs less than $2 and treats your interior for months. Your car ends up smelling neutral, your windows stay clear, and mold never gets a foothold in your carpets. Hack number 11. Cooking spray to stop snow from sticking. Every winter morning, you spend 15 minutes scraping ice off your windshield and knocking packed snow off your car, before you can even leave for work. What most northern drivers have never figured out is that a cooking spray from your kitchen cabinet can eliminate half of that work overnight. Before a heavy snow forecast, lightly mist non-stick cooking spray on your side mirrors, door handles, and around the edges of your windshield wipers. The oil creates a slick surface that snow and ice can't grip, and in the morning, the buildup slides off with a light touch instead of freezing solid to the surface. It also stops your wipers from freezing to the glass, which is one of the most common causes of wiper motor damage in cold climates. Wiper motor replacement runs $200 to $400 in labor. A can of cooking spray is $3 and treats your car through an entire winter. Drivers in the northern states who learn this trick save themselves hours of scraping across the coldest months of the year. Hack number 10. Rubbing alcohol to free frozen wiper nozzles. You hit the washer button on a freezing morning, and nothing comes out. The nozzles are clogged with a mix of ice, dried washer fluid residue, and airborne grime. Most drivers assume the pump has failed and schedule an expensive diagnostic. Here's the 2-minute fix. Grab a small bottle of rubbing alcohol, the kind you already have in your medicine cabinet, and apply a few drops directly onto each clogged nozzle. Rubbing alcohol has a freezing point far below water, so it instantly melts any ice inside the nozzle while dissolving the dried residue clogging the opening. Wait 30 seconds, then test the washer button. Fluid flows through cleanly, and the spray pattern returns to normal. As a bonus, mixing a small amount of rubbing alcohol into your washer fluid reservoir during winter prevents the entire system from freezing on sub-zero mornings. Shops charge $40 to $80 to diagnose a washer system problem that a bottle of rubbing alcohol solves in a minute. A pint of alcohol costs $3 and lasts through several winters of maintenance. Hack number 9. Peanut butter to remove stubborn adhesive residue. You peeled off an old parking permit, a window decal, or a piece of tape, and were left with that sticky gray adhesive residue that fingernails and glass cleaner can't touch. Most drivers try harsh solvents that damage tint or paint. Here's what actually works, and it's already in your pantry. Regular peanut butter, the oily, natural kind, is even better. Contains oils that dissolve the polymer adhesives used in stickers and tape residues. Apply a small amount directly onto the sticky spot. Rub it in gently with your finger or a soft cloth, and let it sit for 5 minutes. The adhesive breaks down and wipes off cleanly, leaving no residue behind. Follow up with a quick wash, and the surface is back to normal. This works on glass, painted metal, plastic trim, and even fabric, wherever old adhesive is refusing to let go. Auto parts stores sell adhesive removers for $8 to $12 a bottle that use petroleum-based solvents. A jar of peanut butter does the exact same job at a fraction of the cost, and it won't damage window tint or vinyl the way harsh chemical removers can. Hack number 8. Ketchup to restore oxidized chrome. The chrome on your bumpers, trim, and wheels has that dull, pitted look with tiny orange specks starting to appear. That's oxidation, and once it starts, it accelerates until the chrome plating starts lifting entirely. Most drivers rush to a professional chrome polisher for $40 a bottle. Here's what most of them never learn. Ordinary ketchup contains just the right level of acidity, from vinegar and tomato acid, to dissolve light chrome oxidation without harming the plating underneath. Apply a generous amount of ketchup directly to the oxidized chrome. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub gently with a soft cloth or old toothbrush. Rinse thoroughly with water and buff dry. The chrome comes out looking noticeably brighter, and the oxidation lifts away with the ketchup. For heavily pitted chrome, repeat the process a second time. Motorcycle enthusiasts have been using this trick for decades on vintage chrome that costs thousands to rechromate. Your kitchen bottle of ketchup handles it for pennies. If any of these hacks made you rethink what you've been buying at the auto parts store, hit like and subscribe so we can keep digging up more of them. Back to it. Hack number 7. Kitty litter to absorb oil spills on your driveway. Your car has a small oil drip that's leaving a spreading black stain on the concrete of your driveway, and every attempt to wash it with soap and water just spreads it around. That stain will darken over time and become nearly impossible to remove. Here's a fix that costs almost nothing. Regular clay-based kitty litter. The cheap, non-clumping kind is one of the most absorbent materials available at any store. Pour a generous layer directly over the fresh oil stain, press it in with your foot to break up the clay, and leave it overnight. The litter draws the oil up out of the concrete pores by capillary action. Sweep it up in the morning, and the stain lifts with it. For older, set-in stains, add a splash of hot water and dish soap after removing the litter, and scrub with a stiff brush. Commercial oil-absorbent products at auto stores cost $20 to $30 per bag for the exact same clay material. A large bag of kitty litter runs $8 and handles multiple driveway spills. Keep a bag in the garage. It's also the fastest way to soak up oil spills before they set into your garage floor permanently. Hack number 6. Newspaper for streak-free windshield cleaning. You just cleaned your windshield with a microfiber cloth and premium glass cleaner, and as soon as the sun hits it, you see streaks running in every direction. Most drivers assume they need a better cleaner. Here's what your grandparents knew that we've all forgotten. Old-fashioned newspaper, the kind still printed on real newsprint, leaves glass completely streak-free in a way no microfiber cloth can match. The dense fibers of newsprint are actually shorter and more absorbent than microfiber, and the tiny amount of ink residue acts as a mild polish that fills microscopic scratches. Crumple up a page of newspaper, spray your glass with any basic cleaner, or the vinegar mix we talked about earlier, and wipe in circular motions. The paper picks up every trace of moisture and leaves the glass with a crystal clear finish that stays streak-free for days. Premium microfiber glass cloths sell for $10 to $15 each. A stack of yesterday's newspaper is free, works better, and gets thrown away when you're done. No washing, no dirty cloths, no permanent stains from the last spill. Hack number 5. Cornstarch to lift oil, stains from upholstery. You sat down in your car after a burger run and left a grease spot on the fabric seat that's now visible from across the parking lot. Most drivers try dish soap and water, which spreads the oil deeper into the fibers and creates a bigger stain than they started with. Here's the correct order of operations. Sprinkle plain cornstarch, the kind you use for thickening sauces, generously over the fresh oil stain and let it sit for a full hour, or overnight for older stains. Cornstarch has a naturally strong affinity for oils and grease, and it draws the oil straight up out of the fabric by capillary action. Vacuum up the cornstarch completely and repeat the process if any shadow remains. Only after all the oil is absorbed should you follow up with any water or soap treatment. Adding water to unabsorbed oil is what turns a small mark into a permanent stain, because the water pushes the oil deeper into the weave instead of lifting it out. Professional upholstery cleaning services run $80 to $150 for a single spot, and a box of cornstarch costs $2. The sequence is the whole trick. Cornstarch first, water last. Hack number 4. Aluminum foil to remove rust from chrome. You've got small rust spots forming on your chrome wheels, bumpers, or exhaust tips, and regular polish isn't cutting through them. Most drivers assume the chrome is ruined and start pricing replacements. Here's a chemistry trick that will feel wrong the first time you try it, but works consistently. Tear off a piece of regular aluminum foil, crumple it into a loose ball, dip it lightly into water or cola, and gently rub the rusted chrome in a circular motion. The aluminum is softer than chrome, so it can't scratch the surface, but it's harder than iron oxide, so it lifts the rust off cleanly through a process called cathodic conversion. The rust literally transfers from the chrome to the foil and turns the surface bright and clean. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry. This same technique is used by classic car restorers on show-quality chrome that's worth thousands of dollars. Commercial rust removers for chrome cost $15 to $25 a bottle and contain harsh acids that can damage nearby paint or trim. A roll of aluminum foil costs $4 and treats every piece of chrome on your vehicle without risking anything around it. Hack number 3. Hand sanitizer to deep clean your steering wheel. Your steering wheel is the single dirtiest surface in your entire car. Studies have shown it carries more bacteria per square inch than a public toilet seat. And yet, most drivers never clean it properly because harsh cleaners damage the leather or plastic coating. Here's the fix that's been sitting in your car since the pandemic. Regular hand sanitizer, the alcohol-based kind, is one of the safest and most effective steering wheel cleaners you can use. Apply a small amount onto a clean microfiber cloth, never directly onto the wheel, and wipe in overlapping circular motions across the entire surface. The alcohol dissolves the accumulated skin oils, grime, and bacteria without harming the leather or urethane finish, and it evaporates completely, leaving no residue behind. Do the shift knob, door handles, and radio controls at the same time. Interior deep cleaning services at detailers run $40 to $80 and use nearly identical chemistry. A bottle of hand sanitizer costs $2 and gives you dozens of applications. Plus, your steering wheel finally stops carrying more bacteria than everything else in your daily life combined. Hack number 2. A tennis ball to protect your car in the garage. Every driver in a tight garage has done it. Pulled in too far, tapped the front of the car against the wall or shelving, and left a scuff mark or a dent behind. Most people buy commercial parking sensors or laser guides for $30 to $60. Here's a fix that costs almost nothing and works just as well. Take a single tennis ball, tie a length of string through it, and hang it from your garage ceiling at the exact spot where it touches your windshield when the car is parked in the perfect position. Every time you pull in, the moment the tennis ball taps the glass, you know to stop. No sensors, no beeping, no batteries. Just a visual reference point that never fails. If you have multiple drivers in the household, each one can find their ideal parking depth using the same setup. Body shops charge $200 to $500 to repair the dents and scrapes that come from repeatedly hitting garage shelves and walls. A tennis ball costs $1 and prevents every one of them for the entire life of the car. Hack number 1. A long screwdriver as a DIY mechanic's stethoscope. This is the trick that separates drivers who diagnose their own car problems from drivers who hand mechanics a blank check. When your engine develops a mystery noise, a tick, a knock, a whine, most drivers describe it vaguely to a mechanic and pay $100 to $200 in diagnostic labor for someone to locate the source. Here's what mechanics don't advertise. A long screwdriver held with the metal tip pressed against different engine components and the handle pressed against your ear works exactly like a medical stethoscope. Vibrations from the noise source travel up the metal shaft and amplify directly into your ear canal, letting you pinpoint the exact origin of the sound within seconds. Alternator whine, water pump squeal, lifter tick, injector chatter. Each one has a unique signature you can locate with a screwdriver in under a minute. Every experienced mechanic owns a proper mechanic's stethoscope that costs $20 to $40, and every mechanic learned this hack with a screwdriver first before buying the tool. A long shank screwdriver from your toolbox does the exact same job for free. And once you can locate the source of a noise yourself, you walk into a shop with specific information, which is the fastest way to cut a diagnostic bill down to nothing. Which one are you actually going to try first? Drop it in the comments, I read them. And if this whole video shifted the way you think about the products the auto store has been selling you, hit subscribe so you catch the next round of hacks we're breaking down. When you're ready for more, the next video is queued up right there. Click it.